Hey, gun, Jeep, and fans. Another quick tech tip. When you're swapping gears, never reuse your ring gear bolts. Okay? Never reuse them. When you torque them to spec, the bolt stretches ever so slightly. Then if you go to retorque them again, now you're going to stretch them a little bit more, and you can see what's going to happen. That creates a failure point. So no matter how tempting it is, don't reuse those ring gear bolts. Get you a good kit that's got ring gear bolts in it, all your bearings, everything you need, and do a full install. Don't get lazy with this one, guys. For the cost of a few bucks worth of bolts, you can destroy a $900 locker and your $200 gear set and your bearings and your whole differential. So, new ring gear bolts. Don't reuse them. Don't do it. Don't you do it.